Hello and welcome back to Frappe ERP Next course. In this lecture, we will see how to create a new application in Frappe framework, and later we will see how to integrate it with ERP Next application. So let's start learning. I am opening my terminal and my terminal is ready. Then let's move to Frappe bench directory. Now I am in Frappe bench, and it is because the bench command will only run inside Frappe bench directory. So if we run any command outside this Frappe bench directory, it won't work. We can create a new application in Frappe using this command bench new app, then the application name. So here I am giving a name demo app. And press enter. Next we have to give some details of our application. The first one is app title. Here we can give the title of our application. The default title is demo app. I am not changing the title. I am just pressing enter. Next one is app description. I am adding a description. It is a demo app. Then press enter. Next we need to add a publisher. I am adding publisher is Decodee. Let's add an email for this application. Next we can add an app icon. I'm not adding any icon here. I'm just skipping this step. We can also give a color for our application, and default color is gray. I'm not changing this to app license. I'm using default license, and the app creation is started here. Now the app creation is finished and our demo app is created successfully. We can see our application in apps directory. So let's move to app directory. And here we can see our application demo app. Let's go back to Frappe bench directory. Let's clear this. We can check the installed application in this Frappe bench using this command bench version. We can see the list of application installed in this Frappe bench, and first one is demo app, then ERP next, then Frappe. Let's start the bench using this command bench start, and the server is up. Let's open the link. Click on login. I am login as administrator. And now we can see the Frappe workspace. Let's go to help and click on about submenu. Here we cannot see that application demo app in installed app. It is because we didn't install that application into our site. So next we will see how to install our application in our site. So let's close this, and I'm opening my terminal. I'm just stopping the server using Control C. Let's clear this. We can install our demo app into our site using this command bench install app, then the app name, which is demo underscore app. And now we successfully installed our application into our site. Let me start bench one more time. Let's open the web application and go to the profile icon, then click on reload. This will clear the cache and refresh this page. Let's go to the help menu and click on about. And now we can see the demo app version 0.0.1 is installed in this site. Let's wind up this lecture and see you on the next one. Bye.